Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change percentage format in Excel. So let's start. So I simply enter here one number, so 88, okay. So here I'm going to convert this amount 88 in percentage, okay. So 88 percentage I want. So go to the home tab in number group, click on this drop down list and here the percentage option shown. Just click on it and you can see here 8,800 percentage showing. Okay. So when you click on the percentage, when you select the percentage options, okay, the selected amount will multiply with the 100. Okay. So any amount, suppose I enter here 8, only 8. Okay. And again go to the same option in home numbers. You can click on this sign also. Okay. And you can select from this drop down list percentage option also. So now I click on this sign percentage and you can see again the 8 is multiplied with the 100. Okay. So for this, if you want the 88 percentage, you just enter 0.88. Okay. So I just increase the size here. You can see just enter 0.88. Okay. Then click on the percentage sign. Okay. And if you want to remove this decimal, just simply select the amount, right click of the mouse, then click on the format cell option and here the format cell dialog box is open. In number tab, click on the percentage and here decimal places 2 is showing. Just click on the down arrow and here you can see in preview also showing decimal remove. Okay, here 0 decimal places. And here you can see the percentage format multiply the cell value by 100 and display the result with the percentage symbol. Okay, when you apply the percentage on any amount, it multiply by 100. So hope you understood. So just click on it, okay, and you can see the decimal is removed. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.